Hi everyone, welcome back and happy Valentine's Day 2025. Okay, so I have read your comments. I know that you love burping. So I wanted to do a very fast mukbang situation where I can have a meal with you guys and I can burp as I need, okay? So I have over here for the main food, crispy California roll, okay? Uh, it looks delicious actually. Crispy California roll, delish. I am, mm, I normally save this plastic thing in order to put the sauce in it, okay? And be able to dip on it. So I'm gonna save it over here. I'm gonna put it over here like this. I also have this. This is what Americans call papaya, but in my country it's called lechosa, okay? It's delicious. It's super sweet. I cut it and I put it into this tiny pretty container. This is gonna be my dessert, my papaya, okay? So I'm gonna put it like that in a minute. And I have my bubbly raspberry water, okay, that we're just gonna open right now. Let's hit it. Cheers, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so bubbly. I have a fork for the papaya and the chopsticks for the sushi that I'm gonna try to use, obviously. We're getting right out of the bat with a bunch of good burps. I am starving, by the way. This is my soy sauce. I'm just gonna put it to this container. Excuse me. I am starving, okay? So, very good, very good. And I have one packet over here of hoisin sauce because I love hoisin sauce. It's like sweet and sour. It's actually very good. I'm gonna put it in my container. This one is very liquidy, but this one, the first one was very liquidy. This one is a little bit more, I wanna say compact. A little bit more condensed. Oh, very good. I love this sauce. This is why I'm packing on the pounds, because I cannot say no to some hoisin sauce. Okay. Very good, very good. Now I'm gonna try, okay? I make no promises. I'm gonna leave the bubbly over here, the sushi over here. I am gonna try to eat with the chopsticks, but I suck at them. And I can say it because this is pre-recorded. And I don't have to bring shame into your culture life. Okay. They kind of taught me, okay. So there you go. And now this is the tricky part. You see what I mean? Ay, Dios. Okay. This one already fell, so, oh no, it's all mangled. If I start using the fork, please don't take it against me, please. Whee! Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3. California roll. Okay. Crispy California roll. Okay. Delish. I need some wasabi in my life. I'm gonna eat a little bit of wasabi without. Some of this. Some of that. Some of this. Okay, you guys. Don't jinx it, but There you go. Pretty neat. Mm. Mm. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna put some of this into the soy sauce. I always forget the name because it tastes good. And it's, oh, today is chopped very fine. Just very, very good. Okay. Okay. I need at least 3. I'm starving, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No! Grab it. There you go. Mmm. Mmm. I approve. Yes. I'm gonna put some of this wasabi on top of this one. No! No! It is lost. It is lost. And apparently my sticks too. Oh man, everything is lost tonight. Okay. I'm gonna just remove that. What a shame. What a shame. And I'm gonna just stop here for a minute. I'm gonna wash it. And we're back. I have washed the stick. And yeah, I mean, I need to try to keep eating with the stick. I mean, what are you talking about? I'm gonna grab the wasabi. Grab the stick. Don't be afraid. Separate the roll. Oh God, this is hilarious. How I'm actually eating. Because I know I'm not doing it right. And I just want to eat it. Okay, there you go. Just mix it all up. Mix it, mix it. Okay. Mmm. I put a bad load of wasabi on that one. In my nose. It's in my nose. I can feel it. It's amazing. Okay. Oh yeah. That one was good. Okay. I'm not wasting any more of this wonderful food. No. There you go. You got this. You got this. Okay. This is such a mess. But the food is so good. Okay. I ate a whole line. It's delicious. Okay. I'm about to drink this and see what happens. Ooh. Ooh, I feel it. It hit my stomach like a ton of bricks, you know? Okay. Okay. Oh no, the wasabi. Okay, wait. Ooh, that was good. Okay. Let me put some of this into the container. Is sponsored by Good Foods on Valentine's Day. I hope that you actually enjoy your Valentines. And if not, just remember, sweetheart, next year is another year. And it's going to be just fine. Grab this. Oh, you see, I made a mess. Okay. Just grab it really hard. There you go, like that. Oh, but then I lost the other part. Don't take it like against me. I'm practicing in this video. Oh, there you go. I approve. More wasabi. More wasabi for the other ones. Okay. This one is with imitation crab and it tastes amazing. So, oh God, no, I broke it. Okay. Ooh, that's a mouthful for the wasabi. I love wasabi. You guys have no idea. And I really don't like spicy like that. But I love wasabi. I don't know what that says about me. Okay. Grab it all, grab it. Ugh. No. Solder down. Solder down. It's okay. You're coming home. Okay. 1, 2, 3. My nose is starting to run. Oh God. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. Oh God, I separated the rice. I am so sorry. I apologize abundantly. But when you want to eat, you eat it however it comes, even if it doesn't look pretty. Okay. Okay. Last one. Better have a mouthful of wasabi. If not, I'm going to be very upset. Oh, yeah. I put that much. Oh, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I killed that real fast. Real fast. I love those crispy onions. If I can only grab them, you know? If only. Sorry. Everything gets eaten. Everything gets eaten. Or mostly. Okay. Some of this pieces that I love, I'm just gonna eat like that, and I'm sorry. It was worth it. Okay. We're leaving this to the side. And we have the papaya over here. Okay, wait. 1 second. Oh, that felt good. Okay. With all of my love to you, sweetheart. Okay, cheers. Woo! Okay, so this combination I would not recommend with like Japanese food. But I wanted a couple of like pieces of something sweet, and this is what I had on my fridge. Is like I said, is papaya or lechosa. I cut it. It's extremely sweet, and I save it, especially when I want something sweet and I have stomach problems. Like, you guys, I'm telling you, if you suffer from constipation, this is the way to go. Okay, this thing will do wonders for your body, and it's natural. 1 second. One. We're doing good, and we still have like this amount of this. So I just want a couple pieces of the papaya, and then it will be perfect with what I just ate. Okay. That hits the spot. You see how marble it looks? It's because it's extremely sweet. And because I've been keeping it on the fridge, it creates this juice. And then it gets like kind of caramelized on the bottom. I can just eat it all, you know. This is not a skinny mukbang. This is a regular mukbang. Just a short one. Of burps, good food, nice fruit, a wonderful bubbly drink, and you know, obviously, just good things, you know. Okay. That is enough so far. Now, I do want to finish my bubbly drink. That way we can have this to you. 1 second. Okay, here we go. I can literally feel my stomach getting full of gas. Okay, so... okay, wait. Ooh. 1 second. Let's just move around and be like, are you there? Gas, are you there? Oh, I told you. I felt it like in my chest. Oh, like there. I'm sorry, excuse me. Okay, this little bit is left. Finish this. I have not finished my fruit, but I feel right, you know, after you've been like hungry for so long. You feel like, oh, okay, now I get a little bit of energy. I feel much better, not like lack of strength or energy or a little bit lightheaded, but you know, much better. that was good. That feels good. That feels right. Okay. We drained the bubbly. We had our sushi. We had our pieces of papaya. My nose definitely is getting more runny. That wasabi is just like that. That feel good. I want to say that I want to eat a couple more pieces, but I feel like now I'm actually full after I finished the bubbly water and all that sushi, that it was actually a lot. I didn't count the pieces, but that's a portion. I want to say it's for like 2 people if you want to share it, but I have to read the label more carefully because now I don't know if it's for 1 or for 2. Oh God, it's right here. I can feel it. My thorax. Okay, wait. I can feel it right here. 1 second. Much improved. Much improved. Okay, there you go. Now my stomach is not making sounds because it's completely empty. Now it's like, I feel much better. Can I start the digestion? Like that. Okay. I approve. I think I'm gonna be able to finish it. I can feel it. I can feel it. These big chunks are actually like huge, you know? Delicious. By far one of my the best Valentines. Okay. Hard. Oh my God, that piece was so sweet. It tastes like just like sugar. Okay, last one, you guys. Thank you. That was a delicious dinner. And the weirdest one. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed the burps and some company. I'm gonna put the table to the side. Oh, this, and I'm gonna move you guys just in case if I have to burp a little bit more. I'm gonna move myself over here. Okay. Oof. Now everything has actually fallen into my stomach. Oh, wow. Excuse me. No, for real. Excuse me. after some good, let me put this like this, the most wonderful burping session, I feel like I can breathe again. And thanks to you guys, I had a wonderful Valentine's. I hope you had the same. And if not, 2026 is coming and we can always do better. Ooh, thank you. And this is the first time that you are watching me, please check on my other social media. Let me know if you would like to have a custom video about burping or doing some other funny stuff, because I might be your gal. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your comments and your suggestions, and always, always, always sending me your best and the most awesome vibes out there. I appreciate it, and if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing this. Thank you, guys. 1 second. To see if it comes out. Now I can be happy. Happy Valentine's Day 2025. I love you. Send you lots of kisses, lots of hugs. Take care and always be safe. See you, read you next time. Bye-bye.